This is Annette from MoneySmartFamily.com, and today you're going to learn how to make enhanced stovetop stuffing.
Money Smart Family.
Okay, stovetop stuffing is one of the least expensive stuffings that you can make. I've found it as cheap as 79 or 99 cents. It can go all the way up to $1.50 or $1.99. Sometimes after the holidays, you'll find it at the 99-cent store. I'm going to talk to you about how to enhance it. So here we are. This is your enhancement. I have 1 cup of onions, 1 cup of celery chopped, and this time I had some leeks in the house, so there is probably half a cup of chopped leeks. And the recipe calls for 1.5 cups water per box. So I'm making 2 boxes. I have 3 cups of water on the stove. I'm going to add the vegetables to the water. If you like mushrooms, you can put mushrooms in it. You really can play around with this and do all kinds of things. You just have to cook the vegetables first. So I brought the water to a boil. Now I'm putting in the vegetables, and they're going to cook for about 10-20 minutes. The vegetables are cooked, so now it's time to put the stuffing in with the water and the vegetables and the butter. Here we go. Remember, I did 2 packages. I'm going to stir it all in so it absorbs the water and everything gets nicely mixed up. Okay, I did the directions exactly as stated, even though I added vegetables. Okay, now the directions say let it sit for 5 minutes, and then it's ready. Stuffing is done after sitting for 5 minutes. Here's my pretty fall bowl, and I'm just scooping it right into the serving bowl. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and then you'll know whenever we put a new one up. Leave a comment because we love chatting with you, and we'd be happy to answer your questions. Watch these videos next.